In this video, I will share how to do this abstract design in 5 minutes. Coming up. We will need a one color of cat eye or magnetic gel polish and magnet beads. I already shaped the nail, did some cuticle care, and now I'm applying dehydrator on all 10 nails to get them prepared. Then I apply non-acid primer on the free edge. This is what I usually do while I'm prepping the nails. Then I applied base coat, cured it, and then it's time for the background, and I will be using black gel polish. All cat eye or magnetic colors look so much better when you have a dark, especially black background. If you're struggling with a fine line, especially near the cuticle, here's the trick. Take a small nylon brush, 0 or number 1, and create this tiny line. Do not forget to cap the free edge, then cure in LED for 30 seconds. Then it's time to apply the cat eye gel polish. Apply one color. I'm using bronze and green color. It's really hard to tell because the color shifts. And then, without curing, I will take the magnet beads. I put them in 2 rows on the pusher, and wow, here we go. Then we only need to cure for 30 seconds. Now let's do another design. I'm applying the same color on the ring finger, and remember, here we need to apply it in only one coat because we are not going to apply something on top. Now I have the beads as the circle, and oh, this is the McDonald's logo. On middle finger, we decided to use a different color, so it's like magenta with bronze. And when you apply the color, make sure that you cover all the black, because if you won't, the color will not shift on this side. Also, since we're applying just one coat, make sure it's intense enough. And then I put the beads as the flower and place them here and here, and we can even move them around to create a better abstract pattern. And no, I don't like it. So to fix it, it's pretty easy. You just take the brush and apply it all over again, and attempt number 2. So I will place it here and right here, and yeah, now we're talking. Okay, cure in LED for 30 seconds. Pinky is the last one for this design, so I am using the same color on pinky, the pink one. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I have 2 types of these magnetic beads. Ones are small and another one are bigger. So for this nail, I decided to combine them together, and let's see what happens. So you see, I mixed them all and, you know, just put them in one mass, and yeah, that's kind of cool, like an abstract drops. Okay, let's cure it in LED, and the last step will be sealing with a top coat. Do not forget to seal it all and cap the free edge. As you can see, this design is very simple. You don't have to have any artistic skills or anything. You just put the magnet on, and every time you will create a different pattern. Just play with the positioning of these beads. You can place them in 1 row, in 2 rows, in 3 rows, or just mass them all up like I did on the first one. So make sure you're using magnetic or cat eye gel polish, as it contains these metallic particles that are running away from this magnet, and this is how it works, creating different beautiful patterns. Also, once you created the design, do not forget to immediately cure it in the lamp, as these particles, they continue to move and the pattern will not be as intense. Also, I'm adding some structure with the top coat to make the surface of the nail be perfect. Cure in LED for 30 seconds, and here we go. Let me guys know, what do you think of this design? I think this is the perfect solution for fall and for short nails, but I bet they will look gorgeous on long nails as well. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe, as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next video. Bye bye.